Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Opera GX battery saver. And to do this we'll need to click on the settings button. Right here scroll all the way down to find advanced and scroll down again. You should see the battery saver and you can enable or disable it. If you keep it enabled you can use the different settings, so save the battery automatically when unplugged. Enable that. You can also change the percentage of that setting. There's also always show battery icon on the toolbar, so if you enable it you can see it right here and automatically toggle battery saver. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.